Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a comparison of Phantom Wallet and MetaMask wallet. In order to do so, here we are at phantom.com, and with Phantom, you can download it for Chrome. You can also get the app as well. And that is the same for MetaMask. You can also download a Chrome extension, but you may want to install it on the device of your preference as well. But what is the significant difference between Phantom and MetaMask? If you are trying to find a wallet and you're not sure exactly where to start, well, let's go ahead and ask Cider. So here we have our handy Cider extension built into our Chrome browser, and we're going to ask Cider, what is the significant difference between Phantom Wallet and MetaMask? Here we can see that Cider is pulling from ChatGPT to give us our response. When comparing Phantom Wallet and MetaMask, it's essential to consider their key features, compatibility, user experience, and specific use cases. Here's a detailed breakdown. Phantom Wallet is blockchain supported, primarily focuses on the Solana blockchain. Recently, Phantom introduced support for Ethereum and its assets, but its main strength lies in the Solana ecosystem. User experience is known for its clean and intuitive interface, making it easy for beginners to navigate. Solana is optimized for Solana-based tokens and decentralized applications. Users can swap tokens directly within the wallet. Excellent support for Solana-based NFTs, allowing users to manage and display their collections easily. It is available as a browser extension and as a mobile app, as we already said. Non-custodial wallet, providing users with full control of their private keys. MetaMask, on the other hand, is primarily supported for the Ethereum blockchain and its assets, but also added support for other networks like Polygon, Binance, and more through custom network settings. The user interface, a well-established wallet with a slightly steeper learning curve, but it has many tutorials and community resources. Key features include it's Ethereum focused. It is built-in browser and access to apps, allows user to swap tokens directly within the wallet, supports holding and transferring NFTs, but the experience may vary depending on the network. Browser extension available for Chrome, Firefox, and others, as well as a mobile app. Security, also a non-custodial wallet with features for securing funds, including hardware wallet integrations. The key differences, so Phantom is focused on Solana, while MetaMask is primarily for Ethereum. Phantom is often described as more user-friendly for newcomers, particularly in the Solana space. Both wallets offer in-app swaps and NFT support, but MetaMask has more versatility in terms of networks and dApps according to its longer-standing presence in the Ethereum ecosystem. Choose Phantom if you're actively participating in the Solana ecosystem, engaging with Solana dApps, or collecting Solana NFTs. Choose MetaMask if you're working primarily with Ethereum-based projects, DeFi, or NFTs, and need access to a broader range of dApps across various networks. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you check in the description, you will find a link to our Linktree, and there you will find our top recommendations and promotions for some incredible AI tools that you can gain access to, like Cider AI. In addition, you can also find a link to Sintra. Sintra is an amazing tool for business strategy, can really help your business succeed. If you are an established business or a new business owner, you gain access to a variety of fantastic AI employees, each focused on a different part of business strategy. It can really help you out with your business, taking it to the next level. It's one of my favorite AI tools I've come across. Take a look at those links, click on them, and you'd be helping us out. We would greatly appreciate it.